Well, how about the emergency room? Remember that story?
That's not music. That's not, that doesn't have to do with music.
So I'll tell you guys this little story. So I have a one-man canoe at my house. So she comes over and says, hey, I don't feel like working today. Let's just, actually we thought, well, maybe we'll take the canoe out, then we'll go to work, right? So, we take the canoe out. So she told me she paddled before with her dad, right? So I put her in the canoe and push her out. She, looks beautiful, doing real good. She goes out. And this wave comes and she turns the wrong way into the wave, right? So the canoe just like, that's my story. And I'm sticking with it.
Because it's funnier.
So we can't agree that the canoe hoolied or turned over.
It's not my fault, it was the water's fault. And you didn't give me enough space to paddle out, so.
Well, anyway.
You're bad.
So, she falls out, the canoe flips over, and it's heading for the rocks. And I really like my canoe.
Well, it's a nice hurricane.
Yeah. And I knew she was okay because she was a good swimmer and stuff. So I was trying to rescue my canoe. She's like, "Oh, cool."
Save me.
See ya.
He was going for his canoe.
So I swim around to the front of it. In the meantime, it's coming over, broadside in a wave towards me and just catches me like this, right? So I go backwards into the rocks with the canoe, and I'm looking at Raiatea going,
oh my God,
this is going to be a bad day for the Hawaiian slide key guitar.
I felt so bad. And then anyways, he's there, you're swimming in the water, and then I go back on the beach for a little bit, and then 20 minutes come by, and then you start walking out from the water, and like, oh my God, you are bleeding really bad. You're bleeding really bad, Uncle. He's like, oh my God, I didn't know. And then tell him about the big brother.
So there's this big Hawaiian guy down there, at the beach, and I've seen him there before. I didn't know him. I thought he was a homeless guy or something. But it's funny how angels kind of come into your life, And
all shapes and sizes.
Yeah. So this guy was like my personal angel, So he comes and, he medically diagnosed the thing. He says, you need stitches and, we got to stop the bleeding. And I'm going like, what? Really? What? And I went to college. So anyway, he's way smarter than I am. So he runs to his car and he comes back and he's got, some duct tape and some napkins from McDonald's, and so, he's holding up the napkin and praying. Mustard side up, bro. Mustard side up. He tapes my leg and stuff, and then we went to the emergency room. But anyway.
And then what did your doctor say?
Oh, so my doctor said, Keola, what the hell? What are you doing, man? I said, I was out on my canoe with Raiatea. He goes, oh, I love her music.
Yes. that topped it off.
Yeah.
Sorry.
So anyway, maybe he gave me a discount.
Oh, cool. So that was the only challenge.
Well, I mean, that involved blood.